In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand multiple toggles at once in Notion. If you use Notion regularly, you've probably come across toggle blocks. These are those little sections with a small arrow beside them that you can click to reveal or hide content. They're great for keeping your pages clean and organized, especially if you're managing long documents, project plans, or notes with lots of details. But it can get a bit tedious if you have to open each toggle one by one. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to quickly expand these toggles so you can see the content you need, without doing a lot of repetitive clicking. First, make sure you have your Notion page open. For this example, imagine you're in a Projects and Tasks page, or any workspace that uses multiple toggles to group information. Scan your page and locate the section that has several toggle blocks. You'll recognize them by the small triangle or arrow icon on the left side of the text. Now, bring your mouse over to one of those toggles. You should see that small arrow icon pointing to the right if the toggle is currently collapsed. This arrow is what controls whether the contents are hidden or shown. To expand that toggle, simply click on the arrow. Once you click it, you'll see the arrow rotate downward and the content inside that toggle will slide open. This could be text, checklists, subtoggles, or even full databases and embeds. Notion treats everything inside that toggle as a group, so one click gives you access to everything nested within it. If you want to expand multiple toggles at once, repeat this same action on each toggle you want to open. Move down the page, clicking each arrow as you go. As you do this, you'll start to reveal more and more of the structured content that was hidden before. This is especially helpful when you're in review mode and want to see the full picture of a project or a detailed outline. A quick tip: if you're working with nested toggles, where one toggle contains several more inside it, expanding the outermost toggle first will let you see all the inner ones, and you can then decide which of those you want to open. That's all there is to it. By focusing on those small toggle arrows and using them intentionally, you can move between a clean, minimal view and a fully expanded, detailed view of your Notion pages in just a few clicks.